Welcome guys in another lecture of Python versus C++ programming series. In previous lecture we learned how to check which number is greater among two numbers. This was the program in Python and in C++. Now today we are going to add one another example in this, and let's run it and check for what if the first number is 5 and the second number is also 5. And you can see the statement is 5 is greater than 5. So what it basically did, it checked if 5 is greater than 5, no, then jump to else and then print 5 is greater than 5. Now mathematically this is wrong, although there is nothing wrong in the logic. It means that we need another condition, and here comes the use of else if. So in Python we write elif, which is a combination of else if, and then we have to give another condition. So I'll be using equality operator. We learned that in comparison operator tutorial. So I'm writing it elif, that is else if a double equal to b, then do something. So I'm writing print a is equal to b. So you can see the difference. Now let's run and see. So we have 5 and again we have 5. Now it is writing 5 is equal to 5. So do remember, from if, elif and else, only one condition will run. Okay, now let's see how to do this in C++. So after if we have to write else if. Now this is the basic difference. In Python it is elif, in C++ it is else if. Again in parenthesis we have to write a equal to b, and then in curly braces we'll do what we want to do after this condition is satisfied. So do remember that in if, else if, we need to give the condition, but in else we don't need to write any condition. That's it. You can see in C++ also it is working correctly. So elif and else if. That was about all this in this tutorial. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.